Have you ever heard of making money while sleeping? You might think that is not true, but affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money on the internet. With so many websites and programs, it can be hard to know where to start. In this video, we will discuss how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2022, some of the best ways to get started, and some common pitfalls that new affiliates fall into. Finally, we will give you a few tips on how to stay successful over the long term. But it's also worth noting that this isn't the only factor deciding how to make money with affiliate marketing. There are a couple of other things you should consider as well. Step 1. Choose a niche based on research. To make money with affiliate marketing in 2022, choosing a niche that you are well informed about is important. There are many different niches to choose from, but some of the best options include online marketing, wellness, and home improvement. Research the various products and services available in each niche before selecting a focus. Once you have selected a niche, begin investigating the different affiliate programs available. Choose one that aligns with your interests and expertise. Start by creating a budget and developing an affiliate marketing plan. Be patient, it will take time to build a thriving affiliate business. However, with hard work and dedication, you can make money with affiliate marketing in 2022. Step 2. Choose the right platform. The market for affiliate marketing continues to grow, as does the number of companies that offer affiliate programs. Various platforms are available to affiliates, and it can be challenging to decide which is right for you. Some factors to consider include the type of products or services you offer, the commission percentage you would like to earn, and the tools and resources available on the platform. Consider your goals for affiliate marketing and select a platform to help you achieve them. There are two primary choices for affiliate starting: a website or a YouTube channel. For many, the decision is easy. A website is the best choice for most affiliates because it offers the flexibility to create various content, including videos. YouTube is an excellent choice for some, but not all. In this video, you can learn more about the differences between a website and a YouTube channel. If you are going to create a new website, you need to determine your niche or topic. You can make money on your website from affiliate marketing in many ways, including advertising, paid product reviews, and sponsored posts. You can also use affiliate marketing to drive traffic to your YouTube channel or blog, or consider creating separate websites for each of these. Create a YouTube channel to share your video content, or create a blog that focuses on a specific topic, and YouTube channels can be used as an ongoing resource for free videos that teach people how to do something. Step 3. Pick profitable affiliate programs. There are many different types of affiliate programs out there for businesses to choose from. Some programs will be more profitable for a company than others. It is essential to do some research and find the right program for your business before signing up. High volume, low commissions. This includes most Amazon affiliate sites. Usually, this type of program is a good choice because it has low commissions and high volume. However, the commission rate can vary greatly depending on the product or service sold. Low volume, high commissions. Suppose expensive watches and fashion bags. These types of products have a low volume to a high commission rate. This means the commissions are high, but the product is not often sold. High volume, high commissions. This is the most popular type of program. It usually has high volume and a low commission rate. However, many other variables can increase or decrease its success. Step 4. Create optimized affiliate content. When making money with affiliate marketing, you have to optimize your content for search engines. Otherwise, you'll only get a small percentage of the traffic you could be earning if your content was more visible. Here are some tips on how to make your affiliate content as effective as possible. Use keyword phrases throughout your article. This will help Google and other search engines find your content more easily. Make sure all of your images are optimized for SEO purposes. This includes titles, alt text, and file sizes. Write articles that are well researched and informative. This will help readers trust and value what you have to say. Use strong calls to action at the bottom of each article. This will help your readers to click over to your website. Optimize your site or blog for faster loading times. This can make a big difference in the time people spend reading and visiting your content. Make sure your site or blog is mobile friendly. This will help people view the content from their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. If using a CMS, ensure the various modules are working correctly. Use social media and bookmarking sites to help get your content out there. Social media is a great way to interact with your readers, get feedback, and build relationships. Step 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate site. You need to understand how to drive traffic to your affiliate site. This can be done through social media platforms, SEO blog posts, and email lists. Social media sites like Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and Reddit are great free traffic sources for affiliate marketing, but they require some time and effort to do work. Another free traffic source we can't recommend enough is affiliate marketing through email. You can use newsletters to market your affiliate offers. And you don't have to spend much money on the email service. There are plenty of free email services available to use. The most important thing is to set up a good newsletter and email sequence, so your subscribers will open the emails. Free traffic sources like these can be effective, but they do require some effort on your part. Step 6. Build a simple affiliate marketing funnel. You need to take a few key steps to build a successful affiliate marketing funnel. The first is to create an effective landing page. This page should contain all the information potential customers need to know about your product or service and how it can benefit them. Next, you need to set up an effective email marketing campaign. This will allow you to reach your target market and drive conversions. Finally, create a simple social media campaign that will help promote your products and services online. This will help build your reputation and authority. Step 7. Track and increase your affiliate revenue. To make money with affiliate marketing in 2022, you'll need to track your performance and find ways to increase your revenue. Here are several tips to help you get started. Set up a tracking system. Use a tool like Clicky or Google Analytics to track how many people are clicking on your ads, what kinds of ads they are clicking on, and how much revenue they are generating. This will let you see which ads are performing well and which can be improved. Try out new strategies. If one ad campaign isn't producing the results you'd hoped for, try switching to a different approach or using another type of ad. You never know. You might find a new favorite tactic that leads to big profits. Analyze your data regularly. So these were some best tips to make money with affiliate marketing. Please let us know in the comment section below if you like any of these tips and if you have any other information to help us make money with affiliate marketing. Thank you.